Hello everyone, this is Harkesh Patel and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how to assign a value to a variable, and we are going to learn about tuples, dictionaries and list. So to start with, to how we can assign a value to the variable. Like you can see in C++, C programming or other programming languages, you need to write integer or a string to define the data type, like which kind of data it is. But in Python you don't need to do this such things. You can simply write a is equal to 10, or you can this will automatically take the as a as an integer type. If you write 10.0, then it will take it as a float or double. And if you write b is equal to like abc, then this will take it b as a string. So write print a, print b. Okay, and we'll run this. So this is like this, like how we can assign a value. Now we are going to learn about tuples. Okay, so what is a tuple? Tuple is a form of collection where different types of data can be stored. Here the data is separated by columns. Okay, so here tuple uses circular brackets to, like, let's see an example. If you write x is equal to Rahul and 100, so this is a tuple. If we print x, this will print the whole tuple. So you can see that. If you want to just print the first or a specific index, so you need to write x is equal to 0. Like how indexes are given in Python. So I'll just explain you that. If you write, let's take a bigger tuple. Okay, now to just comment, you can use hash and you can write, this will comment the line. Okay, so how index is done, like if you start from the starting, then this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, and from, if you want to go backwards, then this is -1, -2, this is -3, this is -4, and this is -5. Okay, and it depends on the size of the tuple, like how long you take the tuple. So if you want to print like x of equal to 2, and it will print 200. If you print x is equal to -2, and it will print abc. Okay, so this helps in slicing the tuple. Like if you write print and x of 2 colon, so if you write 2 like 4, so it will print from index 2 to index 3, like it won't count as ending index like 4. Okay, and if you write 2 and just keep it like this, it will print the whole tuple from the second index. And it similarly goes if you want to like print the reverse of it, and you can write colon colon and -1. Okay, so it will just print the tuple in the reverse manner, reverse order. Okay, so now let's move forward and learn how concatenation is done. If you take a tuple like xyz and 10, and take another tuple as def and 100, you can just write w is equal to y plus z and just print w, just run it. Okay, so this is like adding a tuple. Or if you take just one value, then this will take z as a string and not as a tuple, so you can't add these things. Like see, you can get an error, right? Can only concatenate tuple, not string to tuple. Okay, so we need to add one more value. For suppose abc, if you add and you just run it, see how this is like this. Okay, so now if you want to print the orders in repetitions, for suppose if you write a is equal to 11, this is a string, okay, this is not an integer, right? And if you print it on like 11, 10, and if you write multiply by 3 and just print a, run. Okay, it will print 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so if you want to find that this whether this is a member of or not, so you can write this like b is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can write like this, like print 1 in b. Okay, just run this. Like this will check whether it will print true or false. Okay, now if you want to count how many times a number has occurred, so you can just write this 1, okay, so if I write print c dot count, and if you want to find like for suppose 2, okay, so and run this, so 2 times it has occurred. And if you want to find the index, like print c dot index of 1, so it will be like this at 0 index starting. Okay, so we have covered the topic of tuples. Okay, now we'll move forward with dictionary.